So in the question we have two rods, one thin and one thick, but both of them are made of same materials. So as both of them are made of same material, alpha of thin rod will be equal to alpha of thick rod. They have same length, so length also is equal. That length of thin rod is equal to length of thick rod, which is equal to 20 centimeters. When both of their temperatures is raised by 50 degrees Celsius, then we need to find ratio of their delta L, or ratio of their change in length. Delta L by delta L dash we can take. Delta L is L alpha delta T. Delta L dash is also same because L for both of them is same. So L alpha delta T. Alpha for both of them is same. Delta T is 50 for both of them. So delta T will get cancelled. Length for both of them is same, which is 20 and 20. So both of them will get cancelled. So delta L by delta L dash will be 1:1 because everything is same. Alpha is same, length is same, and delta T is same. So ratio of the expansion of rods will be, the ratio of expansion of rod in length will be 1:1. So the option is C.